back here with another video, and today we're gonna be playing some Minion Freeze Tag. And I do not like playing freeze tag because I got a lot when I play Minion Freeze Tag. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so boom. What? Okay, so I'm gonna stay in this blue box because I die. Actually, I'll never do that. Oh. None of the morphs are working. Oh. Oh, wow. Why Jack is on? Oh no, Jack! Jack-a-boy is here to not save the day. He's here to make him say, "Top of the morning, ladies!" There I go. Stegosaurus. Let me, I can't. Still want to be right there. Wait, I can't move. Alright. Alright, so so the goal here is not to become a tagger. Wait, no, I want to go over there. I need to go over there. I need to go over there quickly. Wait, no, that's obvious world. No, I'm supposed to. I need to go over here. I will be to say, oh wow, gummy bear. Gummy bear. Oh! Hallelujah! Oh my gosh. My name is Dancer of Jumps. Stop trying to jump because you're trying to kill me. I want to be. Shut up. I want to be this head. I'm gonna buy this. Yes, I'm now on him. Now on my face. Anybody's here? Anybody here? Anybody here? No, you're not. Alright, so I'm hiding behind here. I could probably just tag him through there if you try to glitch through there. Yeah, checkers. Wait, what? Untap this. What is this? I would take the laser pistol. Okay, never mind. That's just weird. Wow. I hate dying on this. Alright, so I'm gonna go over here. Shout out to this creator, Bro. His name is Bro. Look, it says Bro. Bro. Alright. So death. I mean no. When I say death, I mean death. Can't move. Ah. Alright, so everybody, let's go to a giant house. I mean, no, let's go to heaven or an underworld. I want to be in heaven. The underworld is horrible. I can't move. People is dead. Why the voting take so long? Alright, let's go. I can't use my jump button anymore. Yahoo! Follow me! Ow, my butt. I'm a tagger. Oh, guys, I'm gonna be. Oh, tag people, tag people. I'm a puppy guard. Hello, people. Let's tag. No, y'all can stay here. No. Why I'm in the world? I don't go to heaven. Makes sense. It's just I'm evil. Heaven and hell. Heaven. Heaven is better than hell. But can I die? Yes, I get teleported to heaven. Oh, yes. Yes, I can get no. Okay, I'm gonna look in hell. Boom. Wait, no, it does. Oh my goodness, I could get teleported to heaven. So happy right now. Prepare, because Angry Bird is coming to get you. Hit! Hey you! Hit! Hey you! No. No, you're dying. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! You're not my fan! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! I'm raging!
I said I don't care.
Okay.
No, I'm not asking about.
I don't care. Shut up. I don't want to talk to you. Dang. I said, I don't care. I do not care. Because everything you say is so annoying. Okay, so, heaven. Y'all think y'all safe? No, y'all not. Y'all not safe. Y'all going to die. Y'all thought y'all could survive. Sasha! Oh no, I accidentally tagged my friend. Wow, Sasha. Shout out to her. Shout out to her. Alright. So after this, I'm gonna end this video. Oh, no, Sauce. No. No. No, indeed. Tagged. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, like, sorry. No, sons. No. Oh my gosh, I hate spamming. No. No! How I did not get, no sock out. No. Get safer. Try to save her. Just try. Or see. Wait. I need to watch her because she's sneaky. That's the first thing I know. The last time I played this game, she was very, very sneaky. Oh my god, just look at my face. The evil Angry Bird with legs is gonna kill you. Is anybody done? I'm gonna go right here. Saved. Nah, I'm gonna go over here. Boom. Wait, no, I forgot this. I wanna go to heaven. I'm not going to be here. This is the worst place, even though a lot of people is here. Lag? No lag. Really? In this time, in this moment, lag is really want to do this? Can I just... Lag, yes. Just... I don't care anymore. Lag just wrecked my whole life. I'm gonna just end this video.